What's up guys? For today's gala is nandito kami sa Venice Mall dito sa BGC. So this mall is actually inspired from Italy. So may kanal siya na para ka nasa Italy na pwede mo sakyan yung boat. So let's go have some fun.
Yeah!
Maganda rin dito guys, inspired talaga siya sa Venice. And madaming restaurant dito sa side ng kanal. Yes, kuya.
When you're driving at the boat with the guy, we're gonna fit.
Yeah, we're gonna fit. Kuha tayo pakain. Pwede iuwi yung kalapate, kuya? Bawal lang uwi. Let's go ride the train with Kuya Ellis and Kuya Elijah. Let's go.
What's that?
Okay, go. Para talagang train. Yay! Yay! Dito ka, dito. Hi, Emil. Takat Emil. Hi, Emil. Oh, let's go. What is that? Ang dami pa rin kalapate, oh. Hi, Emil. Emil, look. Look. Hi. Dar. Itong train na to, it's gonna go all over the mall. Kuya Elijah is tired. We're moving. Let's go. We're moving na. Let's go. Yes, Kuya. Yes, Emil. Woohoo! Let's go. Say hi, Kuya Alice. Having fun? Ngayon, lalabas naman ang train outside the mall. We can talk about Bruno. Hi, bus driver. How are you? Good? Look at your passenger. Hi, ate. So, dinner is done. Ngayon, lakad-lakad ulit. How was your dinner?
Good.
Good? Good? Good?
Like dinner's good. I had corn and chicken and rice.
Good job, Pelis. Ngayon, lakad-lakad. Palaglag ng kinain. Pababa pala.
We're at the mall. Then where are we going next?
I don't know where we're going next. Where do you wanna go?
To Mega Mall.
Ha?
Mega Mall.
Mega Mall? Oh, wow. Malayo yung Mega Mall dito. We don't know where we're going next, pero tapos na kami dito sa Venice Mall. We'll see if we are going somewhere else. We will take you there. Right, Kuya? What's up guys? So nandito kami ngayon sa Pasig area. Merong parang turo-turo dito and you could eat. Ang pangalan nito is Mercato Central. Ganda dito, quiet, walang masyadong sasakyan, may mga nagja-jogging, may naglalakad, you know. So we're here. I think we're gonna eat again. See what we could buy. Mga ihaw-ihaw. Wow. Paan, takoyaki, shawarma. Sa kabilang side, parang bagnet meron doon. Ito, parang cornetto, juices, mango, patok-patok, empanada. I like that. I've never tried that. Tapos may soccer field dyan, oh. Ano gusto mo? Ikaw. Ikaw. Wow. Sana all. Ano gusto mo?
I want aircon.
Mahirap yun. Since special po, isa. Oh! Oh my God! Guys, sumuka si Emil. Oh no. He's sick. But he's gonna feel better soon. Tatry pa lang namin yung empanada eh. First bite ko. It's okay. I don't know kung ano talagang lasa na empanada, but it's okay right now. It's not bad. Bisan lang namin si Emil. Change outfit. Outfit check.
Outfit check.
Oh my God. You okay, Emil? Shh. Are you okay? Okay. May isaw. Meron tayong takoyaki. May dynamite. Let's try the dynamite. Tignan natin kung dynamite talaga. Try mo to.
Mangang daw? Hindi.
Ito, 3 for 100.
Kaya oh, look.
Yun na. Wait lang.
Sit down doon. Go sit down.
Let's try the isaw.
Sila lahat, bro.
Like it, Daddy? You like it?
Not bad. Not bad. Sige, ikaw.
I want water.
Dynamite is not bad. Isaw is not bad.
Sige, kuha nga. Uy, alam ka ba?
Dynamite.
When did you change?
Sarap daw yun eh.
Sobrang cheesy.
Hindi ka na buy for ano. May karne yan. Dapat may karne.
Ha? Sa kanila to eh. What's that?
Hindi ko alam actually. Korean food.
Ah, fish cake. Sarap. Bumili ko isaw and tenga.
Try it like that.
I'm good.
Have you tried that?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's so good. Sarap. Try mo.
According to the science, stutter, you were younger. Babu.
Sarap, ang pait.
Hindi daw makain.
Sarap. Yan.
Buko shake. Facebook ko.
Good.
Perfect. May gusto mo?
Patigim.
Good.
Bumababay sa ulo.
Sarap, sarap. Sarap, no?
Sarap, sarap.
Mamaya,
10 out of 10. Masarap din yung isaw. 10 out of 10.
Ay!
Wala man laman. So, that's it for this gala video, guys. Please.
Comment and subscribe. We're gonna go to the back at the car, at the Kent's car. So please comment and subscribe. Peace.
See you on the next one.
Comment and subscribe. Can I see? I want to see the video.
Peace.